job. Another release.
Póngale al otro lado, Mateo.
Go ahead.
Al otro. Pero que vamos de un lado a otro lado.
Real.
Nice work, Skip.
Yeah, good job. You got the red light on?
Red light's on.
Yeah. Give it that. Give it there.
Got a double header going here.
Everybody give me a favor.
Captain Matt's got them both.
Take it in.
Hector, mira la cámara.
Got mine. Yeah, they swallowed the bait bad. That one did. He got rid of it. Move this up there. I think they're going to bring it in for a pitch.
Yeah,
Lay it down. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Tony. Yep.
One of you in each corner. You sit in that corner and the other one in the other one.
Tony, sit down that corner. Just put your butt right on the square part. He's gonna bring him up. He'll hold the fish for you.
Yeah, man.
Nope. There we go. They're tired.
Let me see it.
Oh,
Double header at the end of the day.
look at this.
Double header.
Dream catcher fishing right here, baby. Woo! Woo!
Woo!
Let them go now. Let's go.